Hey Plant Pals, it's Mike the Cat Gardener, and today's video is a seed haul. It's probably a small one. I only ordered a couple things that I was missing from my seed order, but I do want to show this guy right here. This is my Fresno chili pepper. It's got a ton of flowers on it and a couple little baby peppers growing out of it. Set that aside. What I want to show is my Baker Creek order. See what seeds I got. Anything else in there? Nope. All right. Well, actually my wife ordered these for me. They're on my kind of standing list. Some more spinach seed. It's actually spinach strawberry seeds. This is my free seeds. It's a tomato. Thorburns terracotta. Never heard of it. Interesting. And some purple basil. That's been on my list. That was out of stock. That's back in stock. That's why I got it. This is a Jamaican Scotch bonnet. Excited for that. That was also out of stock. That's back on the list. So these will all be planted next spring. And here is a pink fang tomato. Apparently this is one my wife was interested in getting. We shall see. I'll grow that one too. All right. That was just a mini seed haul. Thought I'd show it off. All right. Any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.